Are you looking for some good fried chicken recipes? Here's one for you with Papa, Texas. That's right. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how. And it's raining now. We're doing chicken strip deep fried, chicken strip fried chicken strips, chicken fingers, whatever you want to call it. So we got our chicken. We're gonna cut it up into fingers. Flour, egg, batter. Flour, egg, batter. That's right. That would be Booger's February. Flour, egg, batter. That's the order. And we're frying them right over there. We're going to be using Uncle Steve's Shake, Lucky Shake, all-purpose seasoning on these bad boys. And my egg holder is from Nicholson Family Homestead. She made this for me, y'all. Isn't that awesome? Y'all go check out their website or their YouTube channel. Yeah. I thought I'd show you real quick on my cuts. So I'm going the short way, not the long way, and there's what my strips are going to look like. All right, well there's my cuts. Now let's get to the FEB, February flour, egg, batter. All right, so the breading is coming from this cheddar sour cream mashed potatoes. And they're dry flakes, y'all. They're dry flakes, flour, egg, batter. February, that's the order. You do a wet hand, dry hand. Get that grass off of there. Alright, we're going to find out if we need to bread them twice. Sorry about my arm being in the way. We're going to find out if we got to bread them twice or once. I got more eggs. Oh, I didn't do wet hand, dry hand, did I? Oh well. It's my chicken. And Gigi's. Alright, that one time did fantastic. Look at that. You want to see that up close? Check that out. Alright, so what we're going to do is go ahead and we'll put them on the cooling rack. I'm going to do one more for you, and then we'll get it done. You don't need to see me do this more than once, twice. Guy behind me is mowing and it's fixing to pour down rain. You better hurry. You picked a bad time. Almost in the dark. You know what? Let's do that one more time. Let's see what happens when we do the double. Of course, your hands get clogged up by not switching hands. Alright, so double breaded, single breaded. I got more of all this here. Let me get these done and you'll see that rack full and we'll get over to the fire. So what I want to tell you, I'm going to throw this in there real quick. I do not know if I showed you the Uncle Steve Shake, Lucky Shake, all-purpose seasoning, and I added it to this. I'm on my second bag of the potato. You see how many I did with one bag in the back? So we're going to do two. And what I do is I just sprinkle this in there and then I mix it up. As so. Man, it smells good. Oh, I gotta love Lucky Shake. Uncle Steve's link down below. See if she's hot enough. Oh yeah. Actually, might be just a tad too hot. Turn her down just a little bit, Papa. Oh, that was too quick. Too hot. It's on as low as she goes right now. These smell fantastic, y'all. This may be a winner. I can fry some fish. It does smell awesome. There's nothing wrong with chicken to be a tad over 165. That's just the point where you're safe. Check that out. I hope y'all can hear me over the rain. It's getting louder. Look at that. Idaho. Okay, I saw Booger do this. This is awesome. I think it was Booger. That Idaho dried flakes, any flavor you want. Of course, I use the Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake. His website's always down below. This is really good. I deserve a thumbs up for that one. Awesome flavor between the mix of everything. I'm just waiting on the twice fried French fries. Wow. No heat on this one. If you want some heat, I'll leave you a link somewhere here. It's a video with the link to the heat, but you probably already saw it. The rain died down. Alright. You got it. I'll see you on the next cook. It's Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. See ya. I'm gonna throw in here real quick. There's kind of like a sweetness to it. Freaking awesome flavor. Papa approved, I swear. Woo wee! Yeah.